In the last part, we focused on perfecting individual letters, getting their shape, size, and slant just right. Now that your letters are looking sharp, it's time for the next big step, that is, connecting them smoothly. This part is super important because connected writing is what brings speed, flow, and elegance to your handwriting. But remember, don't rush. Every pair is like a puzzle piece, and we are going to fit them together one by one. So pause, practice each combination along with me, and achieve perfection in each of them. So without delaying, let's start. Cursive small letters have a tail which is used to connect the next alphabet. If joining lines are stretched, see how the writing will appear eventually, which is not good. So keep the joining lines very small. The connecting line is going up exactly slant and parallel. While connecting two alphabets should be close to each another. Make letters of same size. Avoid making one letter small and one letter big, else it will give an unproportionate look. If you observe all letters at a glance, they are going in one parallel direction. Check your writing on same. While connecting the letter D with other alphabets, ensure that you by mistakenly do not happen to make a loop on the left side like you can see in the third pattern, DY, or on the right side which you can see in the fourth pattern, DE. While connecting O, it's very important that the loop that you swirl out has to join out the consecutive letter on the top itself. Usually most of us make mistake by bringing the loop down and then going up, which is wrong. So avoid this mistake and join the loops on the top itself. While connecting the letter T and L with another letters, always come down as back slant. If same letters are written beside, they should be identical or same. To give slant look in ascenders, ensure coming down as back slant and crossing over between the two blue lines to give a perfect slant look. Now what are ascenders? The alphabets like B, D, F, H, K, L and T as they extend above the height of lowercase letter x. Tricky connections. After swirling out knot of O, make one more small knot. Swirl and make a C curve for connecting O with S. Once you make a knot of S, then come down straight. That will give you S with slant look. Connecting X. Swirl out from O, make an inverted C and then a normal slant C. Ensure end points are further and behind to give a slant look. Same with Z. make inverted 3 by shifting lower curve backside. Trick to connect G with other letters. The last thin loop going up should be very close to the wall of G. If not taken close, it creates a big gap and creates an disproportionate spacing look. Connecting of a descender and an ascender. The connecting line will go very big as we can see in the connections of G and L, where G is a descender as it is going below the baseline, and it is connecting the ascender L which is extending on the top. Same we can see with the connection of G and H. The next connection is the most important one, which is connecting Q with the consecutive alphabet. While making Q, come down as back slant. While going up, go very close to the wall of Q. Most of us make a mistake while connecting Q with the consecutive alphabet, wherein while going up, we create a huge gap between both of them. So this has to be avoided by going slant up very close to the wall of Q. Keep a control on joining lines at every point by making it small and even everywhere, as you can see in red. Look at how V is connected to I. First, the I letter tail is taken up and then we come down as straight line and complete the V. We come down straight in V to give it a slant look. While connecting U with the next alphabet, ensure the connecting line is of same size that of U loop. That will create an equal distribution of space. Most of us make a mistake by extending the connecting line of U, which creates a big gap and makes the writing look uneven. See how close we have gone up while connecting E with J. So this will ensure even spacing, avoid creating a big gap just like in G and Q. The next one is connecting P. While making P, do not make a very big inverted C loop. Otherwise, letter P appears very fat as compared to the rest of writing. And take the H slant line very close to P. Now look at the distance between them. Similarly, we'll connect the next one. Connecting E with M. Reminder to come down as back slant. For EV, extend E tail slant line up, straight line down, and slant line up again. It's tricky. ER. Then EX. Endpoints of X are further and behind. Slant line, curve, come down as back slant, make a thin loop and make a small tail. That becomes the connecting line. K, N. Joining of W and E is tricky. Observe carefully. Looks like R, right? Maybe you can take this E curve little ahead and stop it a little behind. Another way of writing W is with curves, and connecting with R looks quite complicated, so observe the black lines to understand.